Okay folks, so I need to make the connection here to my Grizzly bandsaw. Now this seems to be a cast iron or a cast steel here. It's not huge, but it's big enough to accommodate this male end of this connection. So it's right here. But I do need to get some silicone in there for it to work. So I'm going to use my silicone tape again that I introduced in another video, and I'll link this down below as well. So let's go ahead and cut this tape, get this put around here, and get this connection made. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's not coming off now. All right, so what I decided to do, because this is a little bit smaller than this inside, I put 2 strips of the silicone on. Yeah, that's pretty secure right there. I'll probably still try to put a rim of black tape there. I'm not sure about that yet, but that's nice and secure there. So what I can do now that that's on there, and remember, we have the male end pointing towards the dust system, so away from the tool. And what we do now is that my hose that I have connected to another ball gate, that just connects there, and this now becomes my dust collection system. Nice and easy, nice and fast. When I want to disconnect that, it just disconnects and it hooks on there. That is a great connection to a cast steel, what looks like cast steel to me there, without any issues with this silicone tape that I purchased on Amazon. That's a really good connection, and you can hear it connect when it does. This is going to serve me well with my bandsaw. So I appreciate you watching. I will put some links below to both of the Hose Joy Company and to my affiliate link with my discount code. Would appreciate if you not only follow them, but you go and follow me as well. Subscribe. I will also post this on Instagram. You can follow both of us on YouTube and on Instagram. So thanks everyone for making the connection.